Question number 1. Which of the following is the best approach to educate a patient about medication side effects? The right answer C. Simplify the information and ask them to repeat it back. Question number 2. A nurse notices a patient experiencing nausea after taking medication. What should the nurse do first? The right answer B. Inform the doctor and monitor the patient. Question number 3. What is the correct method of needle disposal? The right answer B. Dispose of it in a puncture proof shops container. Question number 4. When handling a used needle, what is the most important precaution? The right answer C. Avoid recapping the needle and dispose of it directly. Question number 5. Which nutrient is most essential for a child's growth and development? The right answer B. Proteins. Question number 6. What is the recommended method to prevent malnutrition in children under 5 years old? The right answer A. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months. Question number 7. What is the primary role of an MBS or staff nurse officer? The right answer B. To provide direct patient care and ensure safety protocols. Question number 8. Which of the following is part of patient education provided by a nurse? The right answer D. All of the above. Question number 9. When educating a patient about insulin injections, what is the nurse's key focus? The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 10. Which is the best way to assess if a patient understands discharge instruction? The right answer C. Use the teach back method. Question number 11. When teaching a diabetic patient about food care, the nurse should emphasize. The right answer C. Wearing comfortable, well fitted shoes. Question number 12. How should a nurse educate a patient about side effects of anticoagulant therapy? The right answer C. Explain signs of bleeding and when to seek medical help. Question number 13. What is the primary risk of recapping needles? The right answer B. Needle stick injuries to the healthcare worker. Question number 14. Which color coded container is used for disposing of needles? The right answer is option B. Red. Question number 15. A nurse accidentally pricks herself with a used needle. What should be the first step? The right answer B. Wash the area with soap and water immediately. Question number 16. What is the recommended complementary feeding age for infants? The right answer is option B. 6 months. Question number 17. Which vitamin is essential for preventing rickets in children? The right answer is option B. Vitamin D. Question number 18. A nurse observes signs of malnutrition in a child. Which is the most appropriate initial action? The right answer C. Assess dietary intake and educate parents. Question number 19. Which of the following is a key responsibility of a nurse in infection control? The right answer B. Adhering to standard precautions consistently. Question number 20. What is the nurse's priority when documenting patient care? The right answer B. Documenting care promote promptly and accurately. Question number 21. During patient admission, what is the first step a nurse should take? The right answer B. Explain hospital rules and obtain patient history. Question number 22. A nurse educates a patient about fall prevention. Which advice is most effective? The right answer B. Use assistive devices when walking. Question number 23. When administering medication, what is the most important step to prevent errors? The right answer B. Following the 5 rights of medication administration. Question number 24. Which of the following is considered a reportable incident? The right answer is option B. A patient falling while attempting to walk unassisted. Question number 25. When educating a patient about antibiotic use, the nurse should emphasize. The right answer B. Completing the full course of antibiotics. Question number 26. A nurse is teaching a patient about the use of metered dose inhaler MDI. What should the patient do first? The right answer A. Exhales completely before using the inhaler. Question number 27. A patient asks why they should avoid grapefruit juice with certain medications. The nurse explains. The right answer B. It can increase the risk of drug toxicity. Question number 28. When transporting a used soap to the disposal container, the nurse should. The right answer is option C. Keep it unkept and upright in a holder. Question number 29. What is the main purpose of needle stick injury reporting? The right answer is option B. To identify risks and prevent future injuries. Question number 30. What should a nurse avoid when disposing of needles? The right answer is option B. Overfilling the disposal container. Question number 31. What is the best source of iron for infants? The right answer is option B. Iron fortified cereals. Question number 32. A child presents with night blindness. Which nutrient deficiency is likely responsible? The right answer B. Vitamin A. Question number 33. What is the primary goal of growth monitoring in children? The right answer C. To detect malnutrition or growth abnormalities early. Question number 34. What is a nurse's priority during a patient's preparative preparation? The right answer A. Educate the patient about the surgery and obtain consent. Question number 35. How can a nurse best support infection control in a hospital setting? The right answer B. Practice proper hand hygiene before and after every patient contact. Question number 36. When handling a patient's medical records, the nurse must. The right answer B. Keep them confidential and only share with authorized personnel. Question number 37. A nurse discovers a wet floor in a patient's room. What is the immediate action? The right answer C. Place a warning sign and report the hazard. Question number 38. Which is an important component of patient handover between shifts? The right answer B. Providing a detailed summary of the patient's condition and care. Question number 39. When providing care for a confused patient, what is the nurse's priority? The right answer B. Ensure the patient environment is safe and free from hazards. Question number 40. Which type of RNA carries the genetic code from DNA to the ribosome? The right answer is option B. mRNA. Question number 41. What is the primary role of messenger RNA in cells? The right answer is option C. Transfer genetic information for protein synthesis. Question number 42. Which of the following types of RNA carries amino acids during translation? The right answer is option C. tRNA. Question number 43. RNA differs from DNA in which of the following ways? The right answer is option A. RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. Question number 44. What is the process called when RNA is synthesized from DNA? The right answer is option C. Transcription. Question number 45. Which RNA type is a component of ribosomes? The right answer is option B. rRNA. Thanks for watching.